Welcome back to the 11th video about my electronic steering wheel / Rudder Jog IP68 project. In the previous video, we made a shaft for centering our pieces in my round table. Card here, link in the description. And as you might be able to see, our wheel hub is already on the round table, so we will continue to work on the wheel hub today. Enjoy! What we need to do in this, hopefully, last episode about the wheel hub is to drill here 3 holes on a certain radius, each spaced 120 degrees apart, and thread them. And these 3 holes, which are not marked here, only the first one is marked, will be used to attach the whole thing to the steering wheel, which I can't find in the moment, but you will see at the end of the video, hopefully. As I've mentioned, only the first hole here directly and in line with the key slot is marked on the piece. The rest is at, well, 90-degree angles. That doesn't do any good for us, so I just for peace of mind, cut out here a piece of my drawing, and I will align that here. It's not really necessary to be really precise. I just want to know the approximate positions, or yeah, paint them black, painted black, where the other 2 holes will go. So yeah, for first, peace of mind, and second, to see where I can clamp down the piece without interfering with the drills later on. I've clamped down the piece with, of course, the centering shaft in the middle on the round table with just 1 clamp here, and it's going nowhere. And these 2 holes here, they are really free, so no problem. I can also reach the 3rd hole here at where the slot is for the key. Let's call that the 0-degree hole. And here you can see how that is clamped down. So this is pulling down here my little lever, and that is pushing it up. And since that's the 0-degree hole, I turned my table only clockwise to 0 degree. And then I locked it, and I also adjusted the ring here with the scale. Yeah, 1 rotation is 10 degrees to 0. And yeah, so the backlash, which is a few degrees in that thing, doesn't get into the way. I will only move the wheel clockwise. All that's left to do is to align now my drill above the first hole, the 0-degree hole, and we're here. Not quite. Give me a second or so. Okay, I think now we're pretty much spot on, considering the run out here. Yep. And on the other line, that's a little bit hard to film because, yeah, here where my fingers come in, there's the column, so I cannot get a straight shot on that. But, yeah, I went there with, my normal eyes, and it looked fine. All that's left to do now is to center drill that hole. And yeah, I have to be a little bit careful. And follow through with a 5mm drill for M6 thread later on. Okay, a remark to myself, I need a new 5mm drill. That thing is a little bit, worn out. But it worked and it doesn't look too bad. In fact, looking from the top, it looks perfect. But I will show you that when the piece is out again, because the head of the mill is in the way of the camera. Now I'm unlocking the round table, and then I make exactly 12 turns counterwise. So 12, and I lock the table again. And now we should be at 120 degrees, exactly. 110, 120. Yeah, perfect. And now we repeat. Well, yeah, I film it. And now we repeat. Unlock the table. 12 rotations. Lock the table. And we should be at 240 degrees. Can you read that? Yeah, 240 degrees here at the edge of the screen. Pre-drill. And drill. I must say that went rather well. Even so, yeah, my initial hole, not even so, but yeah. Look at the markings. I'm the width of a marking, maybe a little bit more off, so less than a tenth. It's within the hundreds. Nice. So let's clean the stuff up here real quick. I mean, the holes from the front are very nice, but we need a little chamfer here because we want to cut a thread. Yeah, that's probably enough. And also the back, just as a matter of course. I will cut the threads here, my mill thread up, just so I have a little bit of guidance from the top. I don't think it's really necessary, but you never know. Okay, I don't think I need to film the other three. Yeah, it's work, but I like these machine cutters that where only have one pass and then, yeah, you have a thread. I had that also in the mailbag, I think. Card here, link in the description. Okie dokie, 3 threaded holes. Nice. And now the moment of truth. My hopefully finished wheel hub. My wheel, which was also in the mailbag, card here, link in the description. And 3 short aluminum bolts, which were in another mailbag. Card here, link in the description. And now this should fit exactly, without too much wiggle room. Basically, if my drawings are correct and I did everything right, absolutely no wiggle room. Yep. And see, this is, let me make this a little bit tighter. Not really tight. Okay, just want to see if this is, yeah, this is naturally centering up here. Perfect. So, and the other side, yeah. There, well, not flush, a little bit recessed. I gave me here a little bit of room here in the thickness, but yeah. Nice. All I need now here is a hole in the wheel, exactly in the middle. And yeah, after bolting the wheel hub on, I have some idea. And just for comparison, that thing here, that ugly thing, was the commercial wheel hub from Motorcard Sports, whatever. That's it for today. Finished the wheel hub, attached it to the wheel. Okay, it will probably come off in between a few times, but so far so good, and no hiccups this time. Everything is fitting nicely within tolerances. Yeah, everything's fine. So next time we probably try to make a hole exactly in the center here, and having now that wheel hub with a centered hole gave me an idea how we can do that. Till then, bye.